V začetku 20. stoletja so pri Sveti Soboti v predmestju Trsta zgradili velik industrijski kompleks za čiščenje in luščenje riža, rižarno. No, danes je ta bolj znana, da so v času nemške okupacije med drugo svetovno vojno tu mučili in morili ljudi.
The camp was used as a prison for people who opposed the Nazi fascists or were supposed to oppose them. Most of them were partisans, Italian, but also Slovenian and Croatian. For Jews, this camp was a transit camp. They stayed here for some days and then they were transferred in other camps, bigger camps like Auschwitz.
Ta prostor je bil preimenovan v dvorano križev zaradi vizualnega učinka, ki ga je prostor dobil po prenovi v 70. letih. No, tukaj so Judje in ostali politični zaporniki čakali na transport v nemška ali poljska taborišča.
In Rižarna, Nazis didn't give uniforms to the prisoners, nor numbers.
Smo na notranjem dvorišču in tam, kjer je danes kovinski kip in ta velika jeklena plošča, so se v času, ko je bilo tukaj taborišče, dvigovali visok dimnik in dve zgradbi. Pri dimniku naj bi bila tudi krematorijska peč.
The crematorium was used to burn the bodies of people who were killed here. Today the crematorium doesn't exist because it was destroyed by Nazis at the end of the war. Because it was the most evident proof of their crimes.
V tej dvorani se je najbolje ohranil prvoten videz iz časa taborišča. Nacisti so zgradili 17 celic in tako ustvarili nekakšen zapor znotraj taborišča.
Because we don't have documents, we don't have lists of people who were killed here, but we know that there were some thousands, maybe 2,000 or 3,000. The Rižarna is a place of memory, a place where we come to remember mistakes of the past in order not to make them again.